Today we're making Milopita, Greek apple cake. To start, we need some apples. Clean them off the skin, dice them up the half, and with the other ones, slice them up and put one bowl. One lemon, cut it, and squeeze the juice in here. Massage them. We're gonna stop them changing color. In one bowl, 300 grams plain flour, 200 grams sugar, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, a little bit cloves, and 1 teaspoon the baking powder. Get him your nuts, roughly chop them, pick them up, put them inside. Mix them up a little bit, crack them up 3 Greek eggs, 1 cup Greek yogurt, put your melted butter, 1 tablespoon vanilla, a little bit brandy. Too early for drinking. Mix them up. Now put him inside of him and fix them all up together. Add inside your chopped apples. And with this one, slowly, we turn him. Get one tin, paint him some butter, put inside a little bit flour. Now put your mix inside. Blend him so it's nice and even. And lick him if you need him. Get your sliced apples and fix him up how you like it. On the gazi, 50 grams butter, 50 grams sugar, the brown one. 1 teaspoon cinnamon, it's a Greek one. Mix it. Now put him for a little bit caramel. Do your crust the top. Now put him in the oven, 170 degrees Celsius. Roughly 1 hour, it's done. Get one stick, do the test. If it's clean, she's good. Take him off, fix him up some coffee where she's cooling down. Fix up some ice and sugar at the top. Cut her up, get 1 piece of vinegar. And it's nice with pudding, a little bit cream, the top. She's bloody beautiful, mate.